Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video this morning. Today I'm out running restore number 94. It's a 1968 6 horsepower Evinrude. I got her in Lake Martin at the boat launch here, getting ready to take her out for a spin. Let's see how she's going to do today. Alright, got her fired up this morning. It's a light restore, completely restored mechanically, carburetor, ignition, fuel lines, gear case seals. Runs great, idles good. Pushes my 14-foot John boat here about 12 miles an hour, which is awesome. Let's take her for a spin. See how she does. Here's a local Marina out here on the lake. Have canoe rentals. Swamp tours. It's called Champagne's Marina on Lake Martin. If you're ever in the area around Boudreaux, come out here and get you a swamp tour. She's a beauty. Once again, restored number 94, 1968, 6 horsepower Evinrude. And this motor is for sale, $950. Give me a shout if you're interested. Take her for another run. Beautiful day to be out on the lake. I love it. Remember, here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe, I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.